Right, for the intersection of pipework and ductwork, as we will be progressing through the chapter, we'll move on to round objects. These objects, some may argue, are harder. I'm undecided, to tell you the truth. Anyway, as we move on to round objects, we'll progress on to off-center, intersecting round objects, and other questions like this. And for this question, I decided there was two round objects joining both the same diameter, and I found real life examples are far greater than trying to explain this over and over again. So I decided I'd bring in this resource, cut along the line of interpenetration, so it pops off, giving us a base piece and an intersecting piece. And what I'm getting at here is some students will come to me and might be explaining to them that this is wrapped around and has to be rotated back to give us the true shape. Some students don't get that, so I feel the best way to do it is let them figure it out for themselves. So what I imagine some students will do is they'll cut it out, the width of this, they'll take their width, take their drop from here to here, take their height from here to here, join them up lovely, follow all the correct procedures, then they'll go wrap it around and they'll say, "Sir, it's too short." So hopefully, by establishing this, we will have sheets similar to these. So what I'll get the students to do first is do it their way and say, look at it, take your width, take your height, ask them does it work or not. We'll put it in front of it, yeah, right width, right height, wrap it around. They'll look in from the inside, so they might wrap it around this way maybe actually. Look in from the inside and they'll look at it and say, "Sir, it's off by about 10-20 mil, is that right?" I'll say, "No." We'll go back again. We get this sheet, wrap it around. We'll draw from the inside now this time, trace it around with a small pencil that should fit in there. May use spray paint if time permits, but otherwise a small pencil will do. We'll open it up and we'll compare the two sheets. Then we'll draw them over each other as so, and we'll compare the difference. Same height, same drop from the two corner points, but different radius, or different width, sorry. Why is this? We'll go through it, I'll explain to them why they're different widths, why it has to be rotated back should become more obvious to them, and it might give them a better spatial awareness overall.